Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the delivery method, router-level VPN, smart DNS, or using a Mac/PC as a network bridge. Once decided, sign into your VPN provider and note server locations and credentials. Make sure your Apple TV and router firmware are updated so compatibility issues are minimized. If you'll use a computer or virtual router, enable internet sharing now. These steps set up the foundation. From here, you'll implement the chosen method so the Apple TV routes traffic through the VPN. Now you configure the specific option. If using a compatible router, log into its admin page and add the VPN profile or flash firmware that supports OpenVPN/ICAV2, then paste credentials and test. If using Smart DNS, go to Apple TV settings Network Wi-Fi or Ethernet Configure DNS and enter the provider's DNS addresses. If bridging via a Mac/PC, turn on internet sharing with the VPN active and connect the Apple TV to that hotspot. Test with location-restricted. Finish by verifying that content reflects the VPN location. Open a streaming app or use an IP check app to confirm the public IP and country. Once done, reboot the Apple TV and router to ensure routes persist and log back into streaming apps that often need reactivation. If playback fails, switch VPN servers, re-enter DNS entries, or confirm the router's NAT and firewall aren't blocking traffic. If problems persist, contact your VPN provider. They can check account settings and provide server-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.